Hello, welcome to the North Texas Auto Show. I'm Craig with Texas Truck Channel, and I've got Bo of Toyota, product specialist. And behind us, we've got something special, the TACOZILLA. Not just any old Tacoma. This is a retro cool. It's got the Toyota TR logos, the brown, the orange, and the yellow. And there's something pretty big going on here. What do we got going on here, Bo? What is Toyota trying to do?
TACOZILLA harkens back to the 1970s, which is pretty cool. It's a time to go across the country with your family, and as you can see, the color palette is definitely that of the mid-70s. Very nice. It is a one-of-a-kind make from several seasons ago. It is hundreds of thousands of dollars to make, and it will not be available.
So Toyota's not coming out with this tomorrow? Okay.
It's just showing you the new normal, the return to auto shows and in person. We want to have fun.
Okay.
It's ultimately about adventure, and if you're going to be off the grid, you might as well do it in the 1970s.
Why not?
So the vehicle itself has been completely retrofitted off of a traditional TRD Tacoma, which we do sell. As you know, TRD, Toyota Racing and Development, came out several years ago as a fully insured aftermarket package. Yep. This is ultimately all about that and adding a lifestyle to it. I can show you the back right here.
Gotcha, yeah, let's go check out the back.
So inside you're going to have a full kitchen.
Hang on, Bo, hang on. I'm going to bet back here there's a bunch of flannel shirts just hanging up.
Oh, you know there are.
Okay, all right, okay, yeah, okay.
Tons of flannel shirts hanging up for sure.
Okay.
Desert attire, you can be a little bit more camping, even, dare I say, Burning Man.
Okay, perfect Burning Man vehicle.
Yeah, it's perfect.
The ultimate Burning Man vehicle. Of course, you can do your drip coffee here, you know, or French press, whatever.
Pour over.
I'm sorry, pour over. Yes, pour over only in here, yeah.
It's
absolutely.
hipster.
Yeah, very. You got the wood floor.
Wood floor, refrigerator. We have a sink area. This is a restroom, actually, that we have locked, so you cannot use it. You have a bedding area up there on top of the actual driving area. And it's a great fiberglass piece right here.
Nice, very good. Well, let's continue around to the side real quick. Really cool feature, Bo, here. I want to point out the exhaust, the way they've rerouted this exhaust. Really cool because of the fiberglass shell. Couldn't really stay where it normally is because there's no bed or anything, but the frame's still there. So they routed it up front. That's pretty cool. You get rock sliders. You get the nice beefy general grabbers with the TRD wheels. This is a pretty cool piece.
Yeah.
So like you say, one-of-a-kind unit. I'm sure, though, if somebody had hundreds of thousands of dollars, they could make it theirs.
That's right, they could.
Because anything's available for anyone. So,
that's right.
But the ultimate hipster vehicle. So the purpose was to kick off. We're coming back.
Yeah.
Auto shows are back.
Customizable, independence.
Right.
You can be off the grid if you want. You can stay home if you want. If you're going to do a quarantine, it can be in a beautiful TACOZILLA.
Very good. Very good. Well, I want to show one more thing. Let's go up to the front. Of course, you have the obligatory snorkel.
This is actually a desert air intake. So if it were a snorkel, it would be waterproof. This is not a sealed system.
Very good.
So it's specifically to continue to feed the air to the engine.
Keep too much dust from
But if you go underwater, it will not work.
Yeah, not good. Right. Well,
we're not there yet.
It's not a submarine. Yeah.
We're not aquatic yet.
But you have to have that to go off road. I mean, you have to have it. Otherwise, you can't do it. Yeah.
It'll dust up under.
And you have your obligatory also rigid light bar, which is quite bright at night. That looks like a pretty serious light bar.
There he is. There's the TACOZILLA himself.
This is the actual TACOZILLA himself. I don't know if you drew that or not, but that's really good. Whoever
I did actually.
You did draw that. Okay,
just dried this morning.
Yeah, that's very good. I like it. And then
your nickname for the Tacoma has always been the Taco.
Yes.
So TACOZILLA, it's a beast of a machine, if you will, that thrives specifically on tacos.
And then, not to be outdone, we haven't forgot anything on this vehicle.
No,
There's a reason why we got that price, but we got a worn hidden winch, nice tow hooks. They're not red, but they do work. They're beefy tow hooks. Pretty cool integrated winch there. And then all kids' dream is the cab over spot to sleep, because look, when you're going down the highway, you get to sit above mom and dad and see it. I mean, that's pretty cool, right?
It's so cool.
All right, so there you go. That's it. That's the TACOZILLA. First debuted at SEMA 2021. And we have it here at North Texas Auto Show. Pretty cool to see it, one-of-a-kind unit. Just an idea of what you could do with any old Tacoma and build it up to this. So, Bo, thank you. Thanks again.
Thank you.
Please be sure to tune in and subscribe to the Texas Truck Channel for all Texas truck news. Thanks for watching.